Good morning, beautiful people. Today I'm taking you along on a typical mom routine, getting lots of stuff done, and stay tuned for the end because we have some really exciting house progress. But I'm starting out my morning with some green powders, really trying to take care of my body because you guys know we are trying for baby number 8.
Miles and miles of the clear blue skies, we drive straight as a narrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right.
So my youngest Lincoln is the first one to wake up, and it was really sweet to just have a few moments together, just the two of us, before I go into the bathroom and just do a little bit of basics to get ready for the day before the rest of the family wakes up and we get going for the day.
You and I, heads up in the clouds, we caught up with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. We got time to waste, let's waste it right.
And I wanted to say a big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. So guys, it's been 12 years since Miss Sable joined our family. My sister actually surprised Reese for her 7th birthday, and now she's our favorite little old lady. We call her our favorite grumpy cat because she always looks so grumpy, but she really is the sweetest kitty. And one of Sable's favorite treats are these grain-free cat treats by a brand called I and Love and You from Walmart. So we usually start the morning out with a couple of these for her and also some for Jojo, who is Reese's rescue kitty, and she's been so shy and timid early on. But as she's settled into the family, she's really become so much more comfortable, and that is really precious to see. So as we get going for the morning, we go ahead and feed the kitties breakfast, and this Tender Selects blend by Purina One is one of their favorites, and it's also available at Walmart. We also go ahead and refresh the kitties' litter box, and I really love this unique litter called Pretty Litter that we also got at Walmart. It's actually scented with lotus botanicals to keep things smelling really fresh, and it's strong enough for multiple cats, which I definitely appreciate. I also love that it kind of looks like pink sand, so it definitely lives up to the name Pretty Litter. You guys can check the link in our description box to see these great finds and so many more best-selling items at Walmart to make the most of your own sweet memories with your pets as well. And then most of us were awake by this time, and we were ready for some coffee since we are coffee lovers, and most of our teens enjoy drinking coffee as well. So Steven is really sweet about making most of us a cup of coffee in the mornings. And so we take some time to do that and kind of just slowly wake up. It is the weekend, and so I don't have to really rush off and do anything, but I do want to have a really productive day and get some things done around the house and apartment. And so starting off with a cup of coffee is always very appreciated. And then Steven's dad is actually in town, so we're going to make some brunch, and I wanted to get started on the bacon and a few things that take a little bit longer. And then Steven and I just take a few moments to connect for the day and just get started, kind of get a game plan, and also just enjoy a few moments together before all of the craziness and loudness of a large family starts to happen. It's really nice to be able to take those moments when you can. And then something I try to do every day is a Bible study, and if weather permits, I'll sit outside, which it was a little chilly this morning, so I had a blanket, but I love being able to start the day off right. It helps me to just have the right perspective and focus, and a lot of times Stephen will join me and we'll do a devotional together, and so that was something that we did this morning as well. We love reading Morning and Evening by Charles Spurgeon, which Stephen has an app on his phone for that, but it is just so encouraging. It really does help center your mind and ground your thoughts. So we had a little devotional and prayer time together.
Always hidden your way. exactly what I'm looking for.
And then it was time to go ahead and finish up brunch because Steven's dad was headed over and we were all going to enjoy it together.
Until I can't no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life. Every second, every day.
And I think the highlight of the morning was Steven's guacamole, which we were going to put on our breakfast tacos, but a lot of us enjoyed beforehand as well because it is really that good. I wish I could transport some of it to each one of you because it is one of our favorite things of all time. And then after breakfast was over, it was time to tackle that to-do list. So on the list today, I had a bunch of laundry that I needed to get a handle on, as well as cleaning the bathrooms. I needed to do the floors, and also a lot of house planning for the new home build. There were a lot of items that our contractor needed to have finalized within the next couple of days, and so just a lot of moving pieces, but we were going to get it done today. One of the things that drives Steven absolutely crazy is clutter on the counters, and so the bathroom is one of the things that gets out of control the quickest, and so I was going to go ahead and just clear off the counters and wipe everything down and just get it a little bit more organized. Also, if you've never used fresh aloe vera, I highly recommend it. It is so healing and we use it for so many different things for your skin, and so I just keep a whole leaf of it in my bathroom. And then real life here, that is an old cup of coffee from the day before that was still sitting on the counters. So I had to put that in the sink and then go ahead and get my cleaning supplies so that I could get started actually cleaning the bathroom. And then here my oldest son came in and was asking to go hang out with some friends and skip family cleaning day. So we're having a conversation about that. I told him to ask his dad, and so Steven ended up taking him over there for a little bit so he could have some fun with his friends, and he usually is really helpful. So I went ahead and let it slide this time, but I know he'll be helping me out next time.
We are still young, and our hearts still run. Come on, be cool. It's our time. Let's move. We are still young, and our hearts still run. Ooh.
like to get all of my kids involved in some capacity and helping out with cleaning and contributing to the family. And so Ethan is really good at helping me with sorting laundry and figuring out what is dirty and what is clean, which is usually not hard to tell in the boys' room, but he helped me carry it to the laundry room and put it all in and sort through it. And then our high five turned into a little hand clapping game that I actually played when I was little, and so I was teaching him that, and it was pretty cute. And also I realized that I put my camera on top of the dryer, and so it was pretty shaky. I apologize for that. And Liam was helping out with taking out the trash, and he's always such a great sport about that. Probably one of the least favorite jobs in the family to do, but he does it with a good attitude, so I'm really grateful for that. And then we decided to all pitch in on folding and putting away the first load of laundry. And then I went ahead and got ready to go because we got a call from our daughters who were running some errands for us, and they had stopped by the home build and said there was some exciting progress that was happening. So we went ahead and threw on our shoes and our jackets and headed out to see for ourselves. We were all pretty excited at this point, so we hopped in the car and I decided to go ahead and put on a little bit of makeup since we were leaving the house, and we're going to be seeing some friends later in the day. And so as quickly as I could, got that done and picked up Jude from his friends on the way and headed over to the house.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours, I never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh.
So this week they are priming and painting the exterior and doing drywall and then putting in wood floors, and so there's so much progress, and we have just been waiting so long for this moment, and we're so grateful to be getting close to the end. So thanks so much for hanging with us today, guys. We are so grateful to have you along for the ride, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!